Yeah, I'm up. Let's go.
Nice.
Let's go. What the?
I'm about to kill all of you. I literally.
Impulse, can you go quickly check no one's sneaking up from behind us? Like, round the other side.
I'm watching.
Alright,
I'm
I'm up.
watching behind us.
Let's go.
Jump.
Tom, your fat ass
Jump,
is pushing me.
Jump, 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 jump.
I'm being
jump,
pushed.
jump,
Ah, shit.
jump, 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 jump,
Almost.
jump, 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 jump.
Guys, jump.
Jump.
Oh my god.
Alright.
Jump.
Stay there, Impulse. Stay.
Okay.
I'm jump on you.
Stay there,
Jack,
stay
you
there.
like the sight of
Two,
my
stay
balls
there.
right
No,
now?
let's-
Stand there, Impulse.
No,
Jack,
they're kind of
Jack, you
ugly
like my
and
balls?
pathetic.
I'll get on point.
Okay, jump,
Kinda
jump, guys.
tiny.
Ah, shit, almost got
Alright, I'm
it.
going home.
No.
Is he abandoning it? Is he actually fucking running home?
Yes.
Nah.
Try again.
I'm sorry, your balls aren't that small. Stop, please. Let's fucking boost up there.
Yeah, try and hit me now, pussies.
Alright, let's go.
Says the guy behind a wall.
Exactly
So
why
what
I said
happened to this wood armor not moving? They're inside.
Yo,
They're inside.
oh, stop.
They're inside.
They're inside.
Cars.
Go around the front door.
Hello!
Shut up! Go around the front door. Shut up.
Shh, turn the light off.
Yeah.
Turn the light off. Turn the light off.
They don't know what's going on. They just spawned in, probably.
No one run. No one run.
Door camp time.
No, don't jump.
Oh my god.
Going to watch it.
Watch your roof, guys.
Got my rocket launcher ready.
No.
That'd be so scary.
Stop laughing. Shh.
No one stand up. You're gonna get shot.
Stood up.
Imagine you walk out the door, see like 10 guys waiting for you. Please don't watch behind us.
Oh god.
Wait.
Dr. Cat.
Fucking head, you fat lard.
He probably not realizing that he's getting raided right now.
Dr. Cat, stop.
Shh. He's come down.
Is that coming down or going
Flashlight is on. Yes, flashlight on.
Shh, stop.
Okay.
Stop.
down? Keep it off.
Keep it off. As soon as you open those, shoot them and we go fucking raid door raid them now.
Yeah.
With 3 rockets.
Who's the fuck at the door right now?
Impulse,
Get out of the
move
way.
your fucking fat ass.
Impulse, you will die.
You won't.
Should
I
shoot
will
the
kill
rocket
you.
as soon as I opens the door.
You wait till daily time. Anyways, he's gonna come out soon.
I'm starving.
Oh!
He's added the ladder hatch.
He's added another.
Yeah, because you hadn't put it down.
Ready
I'm
for
just gonna
rocket,
look down
please.
and just be like, what the fuck? Did you see him over?
When he opens the door, everyone shoot and yell charge.
Should we roleplay? Should we roleplay him?
No.
He'll come to this roof.
Let him build.
Oh,
Put it on the roof.
he's
Put
up.
it on the roof. He peeked us, bro.
Someone get a light up there. Someone get a light there.
I got disconnected, guys.
Is he dead?
Sec. I'm coming back.
Is he dead? You just try and loot him if he's dead.
I hit him once.
Okay.
Did he open the door?
Yeah, door's open up there.
Alright.
Dead. Killed him.
You suck, dude. You
There's
suck,
that-
dude.
What he had?
You suck. Let's 7-man boost up there.
Yeah, like we were doing it on every
Let's
side.
go, we do it by the door. Let's go.
Yo, he's back up, Got him.
Let's go.
Alright, door raid him. Hurry up.
No, oh, we can't door raid him right now.
God, fucking niggers.
Stop saying that shit, bro. I'm recording.
I'm
Stop being
recording.
childish, man.
I don't really want to go and cut out a whole bunch of stuff.
Too much work.
Am I the only one
Yeah,
trying
it's a
to
waste
boost
of
it?
time.
Guys, the whole point of a boost is you need more than one person.
I don't want to get banned.
What happened, Jack?
I'm
We're back
recording.
I downed him. Oh, he's not dead again. How do you not die?
Who's that by the shore?
I'm
Yeah.
spawning in, guys.
Okay.
There's a naked somewhere.
I'm in. Alright, thank you guys who took all my shit.
It was Dr.
Welcome.
Cat.